Hey everyone, I just got this 6-pack of compression packing cubes because I travel a ton, and this is going to help me keep everything organized. I'm going to open these all up because you can see they're packed inside of each other right now, and we're going to see what we've got. This is so cool. So, okay, this is the bag that originally held all of those other bags. There's an even more ginormous bag in here, and every single one of these bags, obviously you can open it up and insert things in here. But once you do and it's closed, like I've got it closed here, if it's not enough room, there's a whole second zipper that opens up every single one of these bags even wider if you need the space. And then you can compress it and zip it back down for extra space in your luggage. So you've got this giant one, 2 medium-sized ones, 2 small rectangular ones, and again, they can open up as well. And then you also have this as well, which I think would be great for like wet swimsuits or shoes or whatever. You look in here and there's the bottom of this side, but it also has a whole separate side. Both of them on each end here, just drawstring shut. So you've got that one here, and then you've got this one here like that for 2 pairs of shoes or whatever. So plenty of room to pack things in here as much as you want or as compact as you want. I love Bagsmart. They make a ton of different luggage and storage things, and being a travel nurse, I definitely love having these in my bag ready to go and would definitely recommend them.